Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more 100% commissions and passive income commissions have recently come in. So I'm live here in my account, and you'll see in the top left-hand corner my total commissions excuse me, are now $437.35. More importantly, though, in this video, I want to show you how you can earn over here, promote one link and earn 7 income streams. So if you're not familiar with OLSP system, MegaLink is one product within this portfolio of products in this system. I'm going to take you inside the members area shortly, show you exactly how that works. And this gentleman here is the owner. So the link in the description will take you to this video here. I recommend you come and meet Crowe, because Crowe is the owner and creator of OLSP System. And if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for someone who can teach you how to become successful with affiliate marketing, then this is the gentleman for you. Short video here, he'll explain OLSP System and MegaLink, and I recommend you do watch that and come and meet Wayne. I'm going to take you inside the members area now and show you exactly step by step how this system works. I'm going to show you the absolute insane value that you get. I've never seen such great value in a product since I've been doing affiliate marketing. So I'll show you just very briefly how this works. Perfect for beginners. So if you are a beginner, then it's perfect for you because it's a complete done-for-you system. A lot of it is it runs on autopilot as well. And if you're looking to add an additional income stream to your portfolio, then it's great for that as well. So this is when you come into your members area. This is a video training by Crowe. He does all his own video trainings. Now, what's important here, lots of boxes, lots of information. You don't have to get overwhelmed because he's drawn a line down here. He's drawn a line. Wayne has drawn a line in this video. And all you've got to be concerned with is one thing. And that's all you're going to focus on is one thing. Now, that one thing here is getting your mega link, which is in the top right hand corner up here. You just copy and paste that mega link. That mega link is a done for you lead capture page. You're going to get this exact page. You don't have to create anything. It's all done for you, very professionally done. You see, you even get a pop-up box professionally done for you. And all you've got to do is one thing. Now, Wayne will teach you how to do this as well. You've only got to do one thing. And this is one thing you've got to do to become successful with any affiliate marketing product. And that's traffic. Generate traffic to your mega link, to your lead capture page. That's all you've got to do. It trains you in the members area how to do this. There's weekly live trainings, there's follow-ups, replays. Now, what happens is, just showing you your squeeze page here. So when you drive traffic, I use free traffic, but you can use free or paid. When you drive traffic to your mega link, what happens is your prospects will put their email address into here. And then this is where the magic happens. This is where the system takes over for you on autopilot, because Wayne and his team, so he's got 32 staff working for him. They will send out emails for you, automated, autopilot. You could be at work, you could be asleep, you could be out with your friends and family. Automated. Now, within those emails, he promotes offers. But the beauty of these offers that he promotes for you is that your affiliate links are in there. He's promoting you. And then he's got his own products. So he doesn't have to promote anybody else's product. He's created, this system cost him $250,000. Now he's created low ticket products. He's created high, medium ticket. He's created monthly recurring products. And he's even created high ticket products. And these are your affiliate links, autopilot going out. And when anybody buys, you will earn the commissions. So that's how I've earned these commissions that I showed you at the beginning of this video. All I've done is promoted one link, my lead capture page, and that's how I've earned those commissions. Now the value is absolutely insane. The value is a one-time payment of $7. And there's no monthly membership costs. So you're getting an autoresponder, messages sent out for you. You're getting your affiliate links promoted for you. You're getting converted products. Now, some of these products are recurring commissions. So you can earn passive income, recurring income, just by promoting one link. So the value is absolutely superb. Now, it gets even better. 95% of people fail online. And one of the reasons for that is they don't have anybody to help and support and train them. So the Facebook group that he's created is there for training. It's there for support. It's there to help you. I'll mentor you one-to-one. If you want my help, my email address will be in the description. But he's created a community. So everything you need is here to become successful with affiliate marketing. 144,000 members in this community. And Wayne Crowe, the owner, he's also very active within the Facebook group, answering questions, helping, supporting. So you've got everything you need within this system to become successful, start to get into profit and start to earn some affiliate commissions. Not just get into profit, but stay into profit. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and the team. And we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to join OLSP System and promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you can learn how to make some more money online with my videos. Currently doing several new uploads every week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about OLSP System or Megalink, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description. I recommend that you click the link in the description, and I recommend you come and meet Wayne Crowe. Watch this video here. Come and meet Wayne and see what he's got to say and how he can help you. If you really are looking for a mentor and someone that can help, support and train you to become successful with affiliate marketing, then I do recommend Wayne. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.